Welcome. Today, we're diving into the updated steps for reporting a group in a WhatsApp community without exiting or deleting the chat. Whether you've encountered inappropriate content or simply need to alert WhatsApp about an issue, this guide will help you take action effectively. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, locate the Communities tab at the bottom of the page. Tap on it to access all the communities you're part of. Next, select the community where the group you want to report is located. Once inside the community, tap on the specific group that needs attention. This will open up the group's chat window. Now tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group's information page, where you'll find various options related to managing or interacting with the group. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Report Group. Tap on it to proceed. At this stage, you'll notice a checkbox that says Exit Group and Delete Chat. Make sure this box is unchecked if you wish to remain in the group and keep its chat history intact. Finally, tap Report to submit your report to WhatsApp. The platform will review your submission and take appropriate action based on their policies. By following these steps, you can report a problematic group while staying in it and preserving your chat history. This feature ensures that users can address issues without disrupting their participation in communities. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Stay safe and enjoy your WhatsApp experience.